what happens every night when we sleep, we make trillions of new cells. So we teach you a tick list on what to do every day. You have to wash your energy field clean. It's like a baptism after every day, where you take stock about the emotions, what energetic debris came in, how you let go and release negative emotions. Because if you don't, you take all this adrenaline pumping, adrenaline and cortisol, stress hormones, you take all the associated emotions such as anger, guilt, resentment, and all of that into your sleep at night, and you make trillions of new cells. And now on top of that, you didn't eat properly today, so those cells you make trillions of new cells of is obviously also not nutritionally sufficient, and now you wake up tomorrow morning feeling worse than yesterday because you didn't cleanse out yesterday. You took yesterday's baggage into your sleep, and now you're woken up feeling even worse and tired and maybe degenerated as to yesterday. So we teach you a formula, how to release every day, how to recharge so that you wake up much more rejuvenated and healthier and better today than yesterday. This is also call it biohacking your body, the power of epigenetics, healing by your belief system and faith.